Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Vivo model and FunTouchOS version so you know which menu labels apply. Open Settings and go straight to Installed Apps and Permissions. This saves time versus hunting through submenus. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi is active and you have a quick backup of key settings in case you need to revert. You do not need root access for most removals, but identifying system apps early prevents accidental uninstallation of critical services. You now focus on the apps pushing ads: Phone Manager, iManager, App Store, and any branded recommendation apps. Open each app's app info from Settings, tap Notifications, and revoke Show Notifications and Special Access like Display over other apps. Once done, go to Storage and clear cache/data to remove cached promo content. Make sure to disable any app default ties and uninstall updates for apps that still inject ads. Removing updates often reverts You finish by rebooting and checking the home screen. Many ad changes require a restart to take effect. If ads persist, return to App Info and choose Disable or Uninstall updates for the app identified as the source. If you still see ads, boot into safe mode to confirm whether a third-party app is responsible. As a last resort, reset app preferences or perform a factory reset after backing up. This restores default app permissions and removes stubborn ad injectors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.